Hi, I'm Chris Molina. I'm the Regional Sales Manager for the Future Intelligent Solutions Group. I just left the Nexperia class, and I'd say that's Nexperia is a supplier that has a lot of different products. They're like the number one distributor of discrete components in the United States. They offer a pretty unique product called ASFETs, application-specific FETs, that actually increase the safe operating area of FETs to improve the performance versus a traditional FET, comparable FET in the same package. They also have interactive application notes if somebody wants to play around with the design changes to the application note to see how that affects the overall results. And one other feature I like to mention is that all their products are built to AEC Q100 standards, so it definitely increases the reliability of all their products, and very good for like the long-term reliability. So thank you.
Hi, I'm Isaac Dost. I'm Analog and Power Specialist for Future Electronics. I just got out of the on-semi class on EV fast charging and solar inverter reference designs. And with power requirements always increasing and efficiency requirements going up, it's great to see on-semi investing in their silicon carbide portfolio and building the technical resources like their 25 kilowatt reference design to make designing in silicon carbide easier for our customers. It's great.
I'm Richard Interante from the Future Intelligence Solutions team, coming to you from AEU 2022. Just got out of the Renesas class, where we learned about the DA16200 Wi-Fi module and how easy it is to connect that to RA microcontrollers. Really super easy to take their software, integrate those technologies, and get sensor data like temperature, humidity, and put that up on an IoT dashboard. So super easy to use, a lot of fun, and having a great time learning a lot. So great to connect with people I haven't seen in like the last couple of years. Just so great to get the team together. So having a great time here at AEU 2022.